Anthropic just released Claude Cowork plugins, and this basically lets anyone access AI employees in minutes.
Anthropic just gave you an entire AI employee team. Most people have no idea.
All right, so what is a Claude Cowork plugin? I'm going to explain very simply right now. Think of a plugin as a pre-built expert that you can install as if it's an AI agent running on your computer for specific tasks. This bundles skills, commands, and connectors.
Claude Cowork plugins are pre-built AI experts you install in minutes. Each one comes with skills, commands, and app connectors. It already knows the job. One command. Entire workflow done.
A skill is a written instruction for how you want Claude to work. So you could have specific skills for specific tasks, and it's basically a long list of instruction that Claude knows how to use every time you want to perform this task. And slash commands are one-click workflows for you and your team. So essentially you could just type slash onboard, and then Claude will run the entire onboarding process for you based on that skill that you.
But knowing what plugins are is useless if you can't install them. Let me show you how fast it takes.
Right now, I'm going to click on Browse Plugins. Right here, we have a couple of different options. So we have a finance plugin, we have a legal plugin, we have a marketing plugin, all of these different plugins that we could begin installing into our Claude Cowork. So let me show you exactly what it looks like once I install this.
Click Browse Plugins, Finance, Legal, Marketing, all ready to install. One click and you've got preloaded commands for campaign planning, competitor briefs, email sequences, every workflow already built. Plug in and go.
So let's say we want to install this marketing one, and now I could come over here and click on manage, and inside of this plugin here, we get a couple of different things. We have our commands, and if you don't know what a command is, again, it's just basically you type slash a specific word, and it will go and invoke a specific workflow. So for example, whenever I use the command brand review, this is a specific workflow that it will run when I use that command, as well as we could have a campaign planning one, we have a competitor brief, we have draft content, email sequence.
But what happens when you actually hit one of those commands? Watch what this marketing plugin spits out.
I'm going to show you exactly how to, use this now. I'm going to click on slash plugins, go to marketing. Let's do campaign plan. And I'm just going to say Claude Cowork plugins because I'm interested to see what a campaign would be for, for a marketing campaign for Claude Cowork plugins. It's just an example because it just launched.
Type /campaign plan. Give it your goal, timeline, budget. It generates a full strategy document, target audience, content calendar, sprint breakdown, no custom prompt needed. The plugin knows exactly what to output every time.
So what this is doing now is it's loading our set of instructions here. So now it's going to ask us a couple of different questions here because this was predefined inside of that plan from this specific command. What is our goal of this campaign? We're going to attract new users, end users, 2-week sprint, and we only want organic content here. So now that it has this context, it's going to now go through this workflow. All right, so a couple of minutes later, it now created this markdown file for us. If I open
marketing is just the start. Wait till you see what the legal plugin does to a contract
review for me. All right, so now we get 2 separate documents that it generated about this contract review. Now we have this non-disclosure agreement. So this is basically the exact contract that I had, but it actually goes through and redlines them. You could see this yellow highlight here and this text.
Upload any contract. The legal plugin generates 2 documents, your original with red lines on problem clauses, plus a review summary that rates every clause green, yellow, or red. Analysis that costs hundreds of dollars. Done in minutes.
This is basically all of this stuff that it's like basically saying, you should look into this further. This isn't exactly, how we want it to be structured, all those different things. So it generated this document for me on autopilot. And then also we have an NDA review summary. So this is a separate document that it created for me with the contract review summary. So it basically breaks down the key findings.
Now imagine doing the same for hiring. The HR plugin is next level.
Back over to Claude Cowork, I'm going to go to our new human resources plugin here, and let's go through a couple of these different commands. I like this onboarding one. So let's say that I decide to, hire this person. This will generate an onboarding checklist and first week plan for this new hire. So I'm going to click on this.
HR plugin asks one question. What's the role? You answer, pick your format, and it generates a full onboarding checklist with daily schedule, offer letters, comp analysis, performance reviews, all built in. Customize it to your business so nothing is generic.
And now it's going to break down, or it's basically going to ask me a couple of qualifying things here. So what role is a new hire joining? This would actually be a marketing or communications role. So click let's go. Now it's going to go through this workflow.
Before we continue, quick heads up. If you're watching this and thinking, I like the idea, but I want to see how this actually works in practice, I've linked a free training below. It breaks down the exact system and workflow we use, shows how it's already structured, and explains how people use it without having to figure everything out from scratch. If that sounds useful, the link's in the description. You can check it out anytime. Now back to the video.
A couple of more questions that it's asking me. So this would be a content marketing specialist, to be determined. And then what format would you like the onboarding plan? Let's do maybe a markdown file. So now it's going to generate this for me. Now we have this very comprehensive markdown file that it created for us.
But the real game changer? Connecting this to every app you use and scaling it across departments.
So now I want you to think about this. Every department in your company now has an AI that already knows their job. So whether that's HR, finance, engineering, design, marketing, operations, all these different departments now have these pre-built in set of instructions or AI agents, so to say, that can automatically do this stuff for you.
HR, finance, marketing, operations, each gets pre-built AI agents. Build workflows in plain English, package them as plugins, deploy to your entire team. One person builds it, everybody benefits. You're not selling time, you're selling systems.
So if you're a business and you have a specific marketing task that you want your team to be able to go off and do, you can now create a specific plugin and deploy that to everybody on your marketing team. And this is as simple as building it in plain English. Every interaction you have with Claude, you could basically say, hey, I want you to turn this into a skill or a command. And once you have a combination of all these different skills and commands, you can now package that as a plugin.
Still trading hours for dollars at your 9 to 5? This is your sign. Start building your first plugin today. Link in bio. Whether you like this video or not, really hit the like button. You know why? Because I gave you the exact training for free that our paid members get. This video is going to be in the members area for the paid members, and you got it for free. So yes, don't you think I deserve a like? Go ahead, like it, share with your friends and family, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Make sure you switch on the notification bell button, and of course, ask your friends and family to subscribe and switch on the notification bell button. It's very important for us because we have a goal of getting 10,000 subscribers in next 3 months. And the only way we can do that is when you hit the subscribe button. Go ahead, do it. And for more money techniques, watch these videos and we will see you on the next one.